Hey guys, your 6 months old baby and above can also enjoy his soup like this if you follow this process. I've uploaded a video when my baby was eating this soup, and I will put the link in the description box below. And here are the things I will be using to prepare the soup. I have some okra here with me, already washed. I will be blending the okra later. And I also got some frozen kale leaf. Please don't use spinach. A baby under 1 year cannot eat spinach, so don't give your baby spinach. I have some onion. I already used half of this onion to cook the fish, so I'll be blending the onion and the okra and the leaf together. Here is some pepper, and here is some mackerel fish which I've already cooked, but I'll be deboning it later. I have some salt and also crayfish. Over here is the fish broth from the fish I cooked earlier. I will be using the broth to cook the soup. And the okra, I just took off that hard part. Should I call it the stalk of the okra? I took it out. Then I'll be adding the kale leaf now into the blender. I will add the onion, add some water, cover and blend till it is smooth. Please give this video a thumbs up and share out the video. Thank you so much for watching. And once I'm done blending, I will be adding it into the fish stock. I just started cooking the fish stock again because before I took it out from the stove. So once it starts boiling, I add the okra blend. Please, if you're new to my channel, remember to give this video a thumbs up and welcome to my channel. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for being on this my channel, for supporting me. Here is the fish. I'll be adding it now. After deboning it, I just use my fingers to pieces the meat just like so. So I will give the soup a stir. Don't worry about the fish, it will still scatter inside the soup. Even if all didn't scatter, when giving it to my baby, I will use my hands to just mash it. Okay, so give it a stir, continue stirring. As you're stirring it, the soup will draw so well, and add water if need be. Depending on how thick you want your soup, just adjust the water. Okay, I added a little bit of water off camera, so I'm stirring it again. And as I'm stirring it, I'm breaking the fish. I think the soup is still a bit thick for me, so I will add a little bit of water again. Then I follow it up with pepper. I'm using like black pepper. This is first time of eating soup, so I don't want to use habanero pepper yet. So I added a little bit of salt and enough crayfish. Please do not use a lot of salt. When preparing food for babies, they don't need too much salt. It's not good for their liver till at least they are up to 1 year. If you can even avoid salt entirely, is good. But I just added a little bit, added enough crayfish to give the soup taste. So I will be stirring it. Because I did not add enough salt, I added a lot of crayfish because crayfish sweetens your soup. So I will cover after testing and allow it to cook for 5 minutes so that I will be sure that the okra and everything has really cooked very well. Because you know this is food for 6 months old. I don't want to give in uncooked vegetables. So after cooking it for 5 minutes, it is as good as ready. So I will dishing it out, and yeah, my baby enjoyed this soup. If you have not watched that video, please make sure you watch that video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed, and remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment below and share out my video. Until I come your way again, bye and see you in my next video. Kadibazian. Ndị be anyị o.